Welcome to the first episode of Hikaru's Heresies, the lecture series on common rule misinterpretations. This episode will be on Bunny Triplets. To start out, we will have a brief quiz. Which is the correct order to resolve a Bunny Triplet? Is it play your 2 cards, draw 2 cards, then set 2 cards? Or is it play a card, draw a card, set a card, play a card, draw a card, set a card? If you guessed play, draw, set, you are correct. Now I will highlight the differences between these two interpretations and why this is important. First, let's take a look at the incorrect method. So first I play my card. I play another card. I draw 2 cards. And then I need to set 2 cards. Notice here, for my top run, I actually have 7 options on which card I want to set, and for the bottom run, I have 6. I will set my 2 cards. Now to look at the correct method. Starting over, I play a card. I slide the card so that the bottom run is now the top run. I draw a card, and now I must set a card. Notice I have 6 options to set this card. So I set a card. I play my second card. I draw another card. And notice again, I have 6 options to set my second card. So in both cases, the top and bottom run both had 6 options. In the incorrect method, the top run had 7 options and the bottom run had 6. Let's briefly discuss the impact of improperly interpreting the rules for Bunny Triplets. Firstly, the improper interpretation gives more strength to Bunny Triplets by providing the player with more options, so having the extra choices for the top run can often be quite significant. Perhaps more importantly though, a terrible misfortune will often get delayed by drawing after resolving both cards, resulting in the player receiving an extra turn that they should not have. So in the correct method, since you play your first card, you draw a card at that point, and then you set a card. If that card was a terrible misfortune that killed your Bunny Triplet, then you would not get to play your second card. In the incorrect method, you play both cards, then you draw cards, at which point you would draw the terrible misfortune, but you have already played both turns. Therefore, players currently in an advantageous position are more likely to keep it. So playing with the misinterpretation of the Bunny Triplet rule results in players who are ahead staying ahead more frequently. This has been the first episode of Hikaru's Heresies, discussing interpretations of the Bunny Triplet rule. And as always, Jeff bless.